to the I Believe I Can Fly jump, and we'll watch for where the back tire lands and see who can jump the farthest. I'm pretty sure it's going to be Seth, but boy, we'll see. Yeah. Right there. Lynn's going next, and then I'll jump in the X4 and go last. Yeah, it's going to be hard to beat going off back tire.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! That was close. I'm pretty sure I'm going to lose.
There goes the big blue Smurf. Take 2 of Jason's jump. I'm slow. Oh my. All right, I gotta.
So here we go. There's Lynn, there's Seth, there's me, woo!
Second attempt, you. There's first attempt.
Okay. You guys saw this was first attempt, but she landed so nice. I pushed her a little harder the second time. Look at that. And fair enough, I should give you guys another attempt since I had 2.
Okay.
That's impressive for that machine.
That was insane.
And it landed so nice. Nope. Sorry, Seth. Okay. Yeah, I kind of figured Seth could have easily beat me there, but I held the title for a while, and that's still impressive for the next 4. You're not pushing it hard now. You're like, okay, my A-arm bushings are shot. He certainly beat me that one time. Not by much.
Did he beat you?
Oh yeah,
Oh.
Not by much. This was his last one there, and this was mine. So
Yeah,
still.
that one I moved that on. Pathetic.
He's actually gotten pretty good at riding that pretty quick, hasn't he?
Yeah.
He can just pop a lily there like nothing.
Yeah, I knew it wouldn't take him long to figure that bike out.
Yeah. Once you get over the fear of it, that's the thing.
I don't have much fear of the bike, but that last accident I had did it for me.
Alright, so I held the title for a while anyway. But I think I win because he's on a dirt bike. It's made for that. I'm in an X4, which is not made for that at all. So bonus.
Bonus.
I declare myself the winner because I'm the one filming my YouTube channel. Tied me there.